A sensory garden is a special place. It's designed to awaken all five senses. Sight, smell, touch, sound, and even taste come into play. Imagine a gentle breeze carrying the scent of lavender. Picture vibrant flowers buzzing with bees. This is the magic of a sensory garden. It's a place of peace and joy. A sensory garden can be enjoyed by everyone. It's especially beneficial for people with disabilities. These gardens help to stimulate the senses and create a feeling of well-being. Sight is often the first sense engaged in a garden. The vibrant colors and diverse shapes immediately draw our attention, inviting us to explore further. Colorful flowers are a natural starting point. They captivate with their vivid hues and intricate designs, each petal a masterpiece of nature. Think of bold sunflowers reaching for the sky. Their towering presence and bright yellow petals are like beacons of joy in any garden. Imagine fiery poppies dancing in the wind. Their vibrant red color and delicate movement create a dynamic and lively scene. These vibrant hues create a cheerful atmosphere. A garden full of color can lift spirits and bring a sense of happiness to anyone who visits. But don't forget about foliage. The greens provide a soothing backdrop and enhance the colors of the flowers. Plants like coleus offer a rainbow of leaf colors. Their striking patterns and varied shades add depth and interest to the garden. Their striking patterns add another layer of visual interest. Each leaf is a unique piece of art, contributing to the garden's overall beauty. For a calming effect, choose cool colors. Blues and purples can create a serene and peaceful environment, perfect for relaxation. Blue hydrangeas and purple lavender create a sense of serenity. Their cool tones and gentle presence soothe the mind and soul. You can also play with shapes and textures. Different plant forms and surfaces add variety and intrigue, making the garden more engaging. Tall grasses swaying in the breeze add movement and drama. Their graceful motion and elegant lines bring a dynamic element to the garden. A well-placed water feature can reflect light and add a touch of magic. The shimmering water and gentle sounds create a tranquil and enchanting atmosphere. Fragrance is a powerful sense. It has the ability to transport us to different times and places, often bringing back vivid memories. It can evoke memories and emotions, making us feel nostalgic or even bringing a sense of calm and happiness. When planning your sensory garden, consider the scents you find most pleasing. Think about the times and places that certain fragrances remind you of. Do you prefer sweet or spicy aromas? Each type of scent can create a different atmosphere in your garden. Classic English roses offer a heady romantic scent. Their fragrance can make your garden feel like a timeless, enchanting space. For a more calming fragrance, plant lavender or chamomile. These plants are known for their soothing properties. Herbs are another great way to add fragrance to your garden. They not only smell wonderful but can also be used in cooking. Rosemary and thyme release their aromas when brushed against. This makes them perfect for planting along pathways or near seating areas. Mint offers a refreshing scent, especially after rain. Its invigorating aroma can lift your spirits. Plant these near pathways where they can release their fragrance as you walk by. This way, every stroll through your garden becomes a sensory delight. Section 4. Textures to tantalize. Texture adds another dimension to the sensory experience. It can transform a simple garden into a multi-sensory paradise, engaging visitors in unexpected ways. Soft, fuzzy leaves like those of lamb's ear are delightful to touch. They invite you to reach out and feel their velvety surface, creating a sense of comfort and curiosity. The rough bark of a tree provides a contrasting sensation. Its rugged texture can ground you, connecting you to the natural world in a very tactile way. Consider incorporating plants with different leaf shapes and sizes. This variety not only adds visual interest but also invites exploration through touch. Water features can also provide tactile stimulation. The sensation of water flowing over your hands can be both soothing and invigorating. The gentle flow of a fountain or the coolness of a small pond engage the sense of touch. These elements can create a calming atmosphere, inviting visitors to pause and enjoy the moment. Smooth pebbles surrounding the water feature offer an additional textural element. Their polished surfaces contrast beautifully with the natural surroundings. Encourage visitors to dip their hands in the water and feel the different sensations. This simple act can create a memorable and immersive experience, making the garden truly come alive. Section 5. A taste of nature's bounty. No sensory garden is complete without edible plants. Imagine picking a ripe strawberry and savoring its sweetness. Herbs like mint and basil add flavor to summer drinks. Cherry tomatoes burst with flavor when eaten straight from the vine. When choosing edible plants, opt for varieties that are easy to grow and maintain. Strawberries are a good choice for beginners. Herbs like chives and parsley are relatively low maintenance. Remember to wash your hands before and after handling edible plants. Section 6. The Sound of Serenity. Sound plays a crucial role in creating a calming atmosphere. The gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze is naturally soothing. To enhance this effect, consider adding wind chimes. The melodic tones of wind chimes create a sense of tranquility. Water features are another excellent source of soothing sounds. The gentle trickle of a fountain or the soft splashing of a waterfall can block out unwanted noise. These sounds create a peaceful backdrop for relaxation and reflection. Section 7. Conclusion. By engaging all 5 senses, you can create a garden that is truly magical. It's a place to relax, unwind, and connect with nature. Remember to choose plants that appeal to your personal preferences. Experiment with different colors, textures, scents, and sounds. With a little planning and care, you can create a sensory garden that will bring you years of enjoyment.